5 Best Hair Dryers 2018. Here is the product number 5. Russia Ship HTG 2300W Powerful. Brand name, HTG Professional Styling Tools. Item type, hairdryer. Power source, electric. Certification, dual CCCE/ELFCCCE. Max. Powered, 2200W. Model number, height 037. Here is the product number for GUOWEI GW 555 Foldable. Brand name, GUOWEI. Item type, hairdryer. Heating element, ceramic. Material, ceramic. Power source, electric. Nozzle type, collecting nozzle. Plug standard, 0. Here is the product number 3. GUOWEI GW 555 Electric Hair. Brand name, GUOWEI. Item type, hairdryer. Heating element, ceramic. Material, ceramic. Power source, electric. Nozzle type, collecting nozzle. Plug standard, 0. Number of gears, 2. Here is the product number 2. Professional 4000W Super Power. Brand name, GUOWEI. Item type, hairdryer. Power source, electric. Function, hot/cold air. Heating element, infrared. Max. Powered, more than 2000W. Plug standard, 0. Use, household. Here is the product number 1. Travel Household Hair Dryer. Brand name, GUOWEI. Item type, hairdryer. Power source, electric. Function, hot/cold air. Heating element, infrared. Max. Powered, more than 2000W. Plug standard, 0. Use, household.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.